Elementary School Principal. Once again, let us give our guest speaker our most resounding applause. Thank you so much, Paul. We will now resume the awarding of certificates. To assist us, we may call once again our guest speaker and Sir Carlo Endebrero for the awarding of certificates and medals, together with Sir Richard O. Nunez and Ma'am Eileen Celiona.
We continue with the Academic Excellence Awardees for Grade 1 Honesty with Honors. Dr. Axel Ray L. Marinas Maria Veronica S. Miliete Cialin C. Class Advisor, Ma'am Elisa P. Mapa. Grade 1 Humility with Honors. Ahmad Maria Al-Sayed